Hello, God bless everyone, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started with the materials. We will be needing an engraving tool, some paint, whatever color you would like, an acrylic sheet 5x7, a cricut mat, a piece of a shirt because it was a big shirt and I cut it off. That's what I like to use. So here I will actually be fixing my settings. I already have my design ready, so we're just going to go to edit. We're going to press where it says multiple and we're going to press engrave. Then from there we're just going to press make it. Here I'm actually just setting up like to see if it fits in my square because I have a 5x7 square, and then I shrink the design so that it could fit into that rectangle, sorry. And then here I'm just fixing it in my mat where it tells you how it's going to be engraved. So here I'm setting it right where it starts at 1 and it ends at 8, and then from 1 to 6. You guys will see me doing that a lot because that's how I like to measure my invitations. Now we're going to go to settings. We're going to press acrylic thin for 1 mm. We press on default and we want to press more so that it could have more pressure. And you don't want to put 2 mm, but you put a little bit of more pressure and it gives you that effect where the paint goes a little bit in deeper, so the engraving will look good with the paint on. And then here I was just putting the tool. I'm just letting you guys know that when you rub the acrylic and you see those little bubbles, that means it's good and you don't need to put tape. But if you don't see those little bubbles coming in, then put tape on it. And sorry, my cricut mat is very well used. So here I'm just loading in my mat and it's just preparing to start engraving, guys, and let it do its own work. And then we come back when everything is done. Okay, so you could see how in the screen it already says engraving, so it's already doing its job. And then it normally takes between 12 to like 18 minutes depending how much your design is in detailed. So here I'm already done, so I'm unloading it, and then I'm gonna put some paper towels on my table. I glued them down to my table, and then here I'm just getting masking tape and taking it off the excess of the engraving powder that it does from the acrylic. And here I'm actually using some black paint and a baby Q-tip, which I forgot to mention in the supplies or in the materials. So you're gonna need masking tape and the Q-tips. I use the baby ones, but it could be either or. So then once you have everything painted, get your piece of t-shirt. It's cotton because it doesn't really scratch the acrylic. That's why I go for this. I'm just cleaning it slowly. And then here it is. Here's the result. You have the black one right there, and then this is an example of a pink one. And then you have this one's like in a Maui color, and then this one's the same version as the black but in white. So I'm just showing you guys that you could do other colors basically. Just make sure they're in matte. And then this one is a copper color that I got. So I'm just showing you how it looks in blue and how it looks in pink. I hope this video was very helpful for you girls, and let me know in the comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys.